When it comes to survival, having the right tools can make all the difference. From multifunctional gear to high-tech essentials, these gadgets are designed to keep you prepared in any situation. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, facing emergencies, or simply wanting peace of mind, here are 15 survival gadgets every man should have for safety and confidence. Omniblade. The Omniblade is the ultimate companion for campers, survivalists, outdoorsmen, and bushcrafters. This heavy-duty, large-scale 5-in-1 multi-tool combines multiple essential functions into one compact, durable design. Whether you're chopping, cutting, slicing, or performing intricate survival tasks, Omniblade has you covered. Its innovative construction ensures maximum efficiency without unnecessary bulk, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. Built to withstand tough conditions, it delivers reliability and versatility when you need it most. With Omniblade, you no longer have to compromise between tools. Everything you need is in a single expertly crafted blade, ready for any challenge. GERBER Doubledown. The GERBER Doubledown is a revolutionary American-made outdoor tool designed for versatility and convenience. Folding to half its size, it easily fits in a backpack, on a belt, or attached to molly gear. Ingeniously engineered, the Doubledown combines 3 essential functions: chop, cut, and baton into a single compact tool, making it ideal for survival, camping, or tactical use. Its patent-pending 4-lock system secures the tool in 3 distinct positions, ensuring safe operation under different levels of force. Durable, reliable, and innovative, the GERBER Doubledown redefines multifunctional outdoor tools for adventurers and professionals alike. Woodman's Pal. The Woodman's Pal heirloom is crafted to last a lifetime, combining heritage, precision, and versatility. Each order includes the Woodman's Pal tool, a leather sheath, authentic 1941 owner's manuals, a full-size 280 grit Lansky sharpening stone, and a collectible Woodman's Pal sticker. Designed for chopping, cutting, trimming, pruning, splitting, blazing, brushing, clearing, and building. Its perfectly balanced blade ensures efficient, accurate, and comfortable swings. The unique forward-weighted blade easily chops 1.5-inch saplings in a single stroke, fells larger trees with consecutive notches, and the chisel-sharp sickle hook trims and stacks growth effortlessly. Backed by a lifetime warranty, satisfaction is guaranteed. Provoke 10. The Provoke X is designed for quick, safe deployment and storage. To unlock, push the safety into the down position. Hold the axe firmly at the base of the handle, then flick the axe head downward and away from your body to deploy it. Closing the axe requires gripping the handle on the friction grooves, pressing the deadbolt button, and pushing the axe head downward toward the handle until it seats flush. The safety will automatically re-engage in the up position, ensuring the axe remains secure until the next use. Provoke X combines ease, safety, and precision in one tool. TinyBlast. The TinyBlast is a powerhouse in miniature form, smaller than a coin but louder than a jet. Featuring a 120 decibel whistle for instant distress signals, a silicon nitride glass breaker for emergency escapes, and an engraved SOS Morse code, it's designed for critical situations. Ultra light and compact, it fits effortlessly in pockets or keychains. Crafted from TC4 titanium, TinyBlast withstands extreme conditions, making it a reliable companion for everyday carry. About LifeStraw. We are a Hong Kong-based team of passionate engineers dedicated to building long-lasting, precision-engineered tools. Every product reflects our relentless pursuit of reliability and excellence. Viperade VAK6. The Viperade VAK6 is the ultimate 4-in-1 survival companion designed for adventurers and survivalists alike. Combining a sharp, durable blade, bright LED lighting, reliable fire starting capabilities, and a hand crank generator, it ensures you're prepared for any scenario. Built with high-strength waterproof materials, the VAK6 withstands rain, snow, and extreme conditions. Whether navigating dark trails, igniting a fire for warmth, cutting through obstacles, or generating emergency power, this compact, rugged tool has you covered. Lightweight yet powerful, the Viperade VAK6 is more than a multi-tool. It's a lifeline for anyone who ventures into the wild. Alton Walkabout Swag. The Alton's Walkabout Swag, created with At Scotty's Gone Walkabout, redefines bush travel. Engineered for the harsh extremes of the Australian wilderness, it blends rugged, old-school durability with advanced nanopore technology, offering superior weather resistance and breathability. Lightweight yet resilient, the design focuses on solo adventurers seeking a compact, reliable shelter without compromise. Every detail, from reinforced stitching to intuitive setup, reflects careful craftsmanship and innovation, ensuring comfort and protection wherever the journey leads. Perfect for extended treks or spontaneous escapes, the Walkabout Swag is more than a shelter. It's a trusted companion, built to endure, adapt, and elevate the Australian bushwalking experience. NoCry Professional Knee Pads. The NoCry Professional Knee Pads, priced at $29.99, deliver unmatched comfort and protection for any task. Featuring high-density EVA foam and a thick gel cushion, they provide a pillow-like feel while supporting your joints. Breathable polyester mesh keeps knees cool, and reinforced elastic straps with military-grade rivets ensure a secure, non-slip fit. The heavy-duty cap offers durable protection, ideal for gardening, flooring, or construction work. Slip them on easily, adjust the crisscross straps, and hang them with the convenient loop for storage. Built to last, these versatile knee pads come with a lifetime warranty for long-term confidence and reliability. Mountain D2 Kukri. The Mountain D2 black rubberized Kukri, model D-292. A rugged tool designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from high-performance D2 steel, it delivers exceptional toughness and long-lasting edge retention, making it ideal for chopping wood, clearing trails, and other demanding tasks. The ergonomically designed black rubberized handle provides a secure non-slip grip in all weather conditions, ensuring safety and comfort during extended use. With its durable construction and versatile functionality, the Mountain D2 Kukri is perfect for camping, survival, and everyday carry adventures. A reliable companion, it's built to withstand the toughest outdoor challenges. KUIU HD Flex Waders. The KUIU HD Flex Waders are engineered for hunters who demand durability, comfort, and mobility. Built with 4-layer stretch fabric and reinforced panels, they provide puncture and wear resistance while allowing unrestricted movement. Their ergonomic, articulated design minimizes seams for friction-free comfort. Adjustable suspenders, a waist belt, and a chest cinch ensure a secure, customized fit. Fleece-lined hand pockets, a waterproof storage pocket, and a dedicated shell holder keep essentials accessible and protected. heavy-duty neoprene boots with vulcanized rubber overlays, EVA soles, and self-cleaning treads deliver warmth, support, and traction in challenging conditions. Odor-resistant and fast-drying, these waders are built for peak performance. (9km) DWLIFE. The 9km DWLIFE nylon and EVA foam. Kite wrist strap is designed for durability and comfort, making it a must-have tool for kite enthusiasts. Crafted from strong nylon, it resists wear and tear while handling heavy pulling forces with ease. The EVA foam, padding and thickened sponge top reduce hand pressure, ensuring a safer and more comfortable grip during intense flying sessions. Lightweight in design, it offers flexible control, making stunt, power, and traction kite flying more enjoyable. With red and blue connecting sleeves for easy left-right line distinction, this strap ensures precision, safety, and long-lasting performance. Leveraxe. The Leveraxe Classic MX is a highly efficient and enjoyable wood splitting tool, designed to make chopping easier and safer than with traditional axes. Its innovative head design creates a levering action, requiring less force while effectively splitting logs. A built-in hook on the back acts as a brake, preventing the axe from driving into the ground or causing injury. Crafted from premium steel, the axe head weighs 4.18 pounds, balanced perfectly for smooth handling. With a total weight of 2.5 kilograms and a 90 centimeter length, the Leveraxe is ideal for men and women alike, ensuring effortless firewood splitting. GLASMAG. We've waited long enough. The vision was simple: capture the sun's raw power. The execution, not so simple. After countless hours of patience and persistence, the impossible is now reality. Introducing the Überleben GLASMAG, a tool born from precision, simplicity, and nature itself. Ultra compact and weighing just 2.4 ounces, this solar fire starter features a convex glass lens paired with a natural hardwood handle. No fuel, no batteries, no waste. Just pure, 100% solar power in the palm of your hand. Limited to only 300 units worldwide, the GLASMAG isn't just gear. It's a statement of survival and self-reliance. LifeStraw Escape. The LifeStraw Escape is a powerful high-flow portable water purifier built for emergency preparedness, camping, and off-grid living. Featuring a 5.25-gallon pressurized hand pump system, it provides quick and reliable access to safe drinking water in remote or challenging environments. Its advanced 3-stage filtration removes viruses, bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and other contaminants, ensuring clean water anytime, anywhere. Durable and easy to operate, the Escape is ideal for families, groups, or solo adventurers who need dependable hydration in the wild. Compact yet efficient, it delivers peace of mind when clean water is scarce or uncertain. Hibben Expendables 2 Bowie. The Überleben. GLASMAG Ultra Compact is a limited edition fire starting tool designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a precision convex glass lens paired with a natural hardwood handle, it harnesses the sun's power to ignite tinder effortlessly. No fuel, no batteries, just pure solar energy. Weighing only 2.4 ounces, it's ultra lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for backpackers, survivalists, and minimalist campers. With only 300 units available worldwide, this exclusive piece is both a functional survival essential and a collector's item. Durable, eco-friendly, and timeless, the GLASMAG is your reliable ally for fire making in the wild.